Starting off with concealer, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids to use as a base. Then I'm going to blend that out using a fluffy blending brush. Going in with the cream shade, I'm going to apply that and use that as a base shade. And taking a light brown shade, I'm going to use that as a transition color, apply that all over my crease and my outer V. Taking a dark brown shade, I'm going to start my halo by building up the color, starting from the inner corner and outer corner, and then I'm just going to keep building and blending that color. With no additional product, I'm going to take whatever's left on it and just use that to blend the middle portion of my eye. Taking a champagne Super Shock shadow, I'm going to apply that to the middle of my eyes, and then I'm going to take that brown color again and blend the colors together. I'm going to apply eyeliner real quick, and then I'm going to put on my foundation, add concealer underneath my eyes, my chin, my forehead. Let that sit on my skin for about 2 minutes before I blend that out. And then I'm going to take my brightening powder and apply that everywhere to my chin, my under eyes, my forehead, and my nose as well. Taking my all over face powder, I'm gonna blend that all over my face, and yes, I am gonna look like Flashback Mary for a minute. Hi sisters! Taking my Fenty bronzer, I'm gonna give some life back into my skin, and then I'm gonna apply that everywhere. Then I'm gonna take my blush and then apply that to the apples of my cheeks, my nose, add some freckles, smoke out my lower lash line, and then I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Today we're doing lash roulette. I'm going to pick a lash and I hope that they are matching. I'm going to apply my eyelashes, and then I'm going to do a combination cocktail of my favorite nudie brown lipstick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.